welcome. It is cabinet installation day. I'm having a blast. These RTA cabinets from RTA Cabinet Store are decent. They're going up well. Here's where I'm at so far. In the corner I have a Lazy Susan and a corner cabinet, which I may just leave the doors out on that one. Stove's going here, microwave above the stove. So my job today, well, yesterday I built this big pantry cabinet here. I have another pantry cabinet here, and I have a cabinet here that's going to go above the fridge, which is going to go in this spot. It's going to be a tight fit, but I think it'll work. My job today is to try to install this cabinet by myself with no help. So I have a 2x4 in the back to support the back of the cabinet, and I have 2 clamps on either side to hold the front while I screw in the face frames. So we will see how this goes. Almost fell off of this clamp. That was close. Yeah. Now I just have to square them all up together as one cabinet. Screw them to the wall, level them and all that, and I'm good to go.